Hi, I'm Quill Bullock, and I'm helping my grandfather at the Wandering Bull. You can go to their website, wanderingbull.com, and get all these amazing kits. Today we're going to be reviewing the Bear Claw necklace kit, and this is what the finished product looks like. So you're going to go to the back, and then this is where all your instructions are going to be. This is only a three-step kit, but what it means is that you're only going to have three components. So 1, 2, and then, okay. So 1, 2, 3. So let's actually get into how you make this. So right here it says string the plastic claws and plastic crow beads onto the lace as shown, or create your own sequence. So you can do it as the diagram shows or as you want. You can, as long as it has the same dimensions and number of beads. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take one side, the smallest side, go to the other side, and then tie a knot. Any knot, as long as you can untie that knot. Then you're going to look at the diagram and look, white, 3 greens. Even though it has red on the diagram, you're going to use green. So take the side that does not have the knot on it and put white in. Put that all the way through to here. Then you're going to take your 3 greens, so 3 greens, and you're going to put all those in just like this. And you're just going to keep doing that until you're going to have 4 white beads, and then you're going to get to a bear claw. And I'll show you how to put the bear claws on in a second. So make sure that these beads are on the knot as best as you can. So you don't want to go over the knot, past it, nothing like that. Not still stopping them. Keep them there. Then you're going to get one of your 12 bear claws. And you're going to get your lace. And you're going to see a little hole right here. And just lace this right through the hole. Take it out on the other side. And put it all the way over here. So there is 3 beads in between each bear claw. 2 whites and 1 green. So what you're going to do is you're going to put 1 white on first. You're going to put 1 white on first, and then you're not going to put another white. You're going to put a green, and then another white. You do that until all your bear claws are used up. Now, what you should pay attention to is the way that the bear claws are facing. So right now, my bear claw, as you see, is facing down. That means that either the next one is going to be facing down or up. If the next one is facing up, then the one after that needs to be facing down. It's just like a pattern sequence. So I'm going to have mine all down. Okay, so now I've gotten my last bear claw on, and you can count them and you'll see 12 claws. See this? This part, we're going to do an exact replica. 4 white and however many green that is. And so then now you're going to want to wear the bear claws in like this, not out, not like this, in. And so make sure that all of them are in. Then you're going to just tie the knot back here. So this is just one of the really cool kits at wanderingbull.com. You can get a lot more of these kits on the website wanderingbull.com. And most of the kits don't have videos like this, so you can just follow the instructions on the sheet. So thanks for watching.